like Bully Diamonds fat. Photo cat, two-door fast. Count the guava, take the roof off fast. You move so fast. Told you a pro, you do it so fast. Got the nigga loaded in. We can have a blast.
What's up, Race-Ski gang? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, y'all, I'm gonna just be getting cute, you know, doing some natural makeup. Y'all, I don't wear makeup. I'm just doing something new, just doing something fun for y'all. I got some e.l.f. No, I do not sponsor e.l.f. I got some of this foundation. I kind of used some already on Father's Day. I got this e.l.f. sponge that I had used already. A primer to put on my face before I put the makeup on. So I washed my face already, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this primer on my face. When I tell y'all I got some fat lashes, I got some fat lashes. So I have lash kits and lash baggies. So these are the lash kits that I have. I got a 3D one. Okay, I got that one, and I got a unicorn one. This is Candyland. This is Candyland. Come with a key for your box, and it comes with lip gloss. So I was just being creative, y'all. I like being creative. So yeah, that's the Candyland one. This is the sweet. So the butterfly effect one, the 3D effect kit got the same lashes in it. So this has these lashes in it. Okay. And then I have the lip gloss, and it comes with the key. I was selling them for $25 at first, but I'm going to take the price down $5, so I'm going to sell it for $20, y'all, okay? So y'all better get it while y'all can. So the lash bag is to come with the same thing, lip gloss and the lashes, but it don't come with the kit. It don't come with your own personal box, private box kit. It just comes in a bag. So this kind is, I call this one Berry. This one, I call this one Blue Dreams. Got this one. I call this one White Diamond. Honeymoon. I call this one Green Tea. I have separate lip glosses for $3. Here's the lip gloss. We finna do on a little bit of natural makeup, just foundation. That's it, that's all. And we're gonna be putting some lashes on. I have to pick between either this one or this one. Only because I have a lot of these, y'all. These two, I have a lot of them. I'm gonna use Honeymoon. This is what the lip gloss looks like. And these are what the lashes look like, y'all. First, I think I'm gonna put the foundation on and then put the lashes on. I'm not sure which one I should do first. Y'all, I think I'm gonna put the lashes on because it be taking me forever to put lashes on. Alright, y'all, so here we go. Like I said, I don't know how to put lashes on, so don't fucking judge me. I'll try my hardest, y'all, okay? Y'all, that was the easiest it ever been for me to put my eyelash on. And I don't even think it's on right, but hey. When I first put this on, I thought it wasn't gonna match my skin color, but it actually did. So, ooh. Oh, this pretty. I think I'm gonna use this as my thumbnail. So now I am about to go ahead and blend this in all over my face. Y'all, I wish I would have put this lash on like I did this one. So we finna go ahead. Oh, could y'all comment down below and let me know what makeup I need to get to do actual makeup for real, because I went to Walgreens the other day to see if I could find some makeup, and I got this foundation. That's the only thing that I got, and this primer and this little blend thingy, because y'all, I don't wear makeup, so I don't know what to get. Okay. Cause stuff like that. So I'm gonna just make sure this is just blended in good. Okay. Make sure. Shoot. Y'all, this take a lot. I don't see how y'all do it. I don't even know if I got enough on, but oh, my lips dry. Alright, y'all, so now that I got that on, we are going to go ahead with the lip gloss that came with this package. And we just gonna put it on. So y'all, this is actually green. I think this is mint oil lip gloss. So I'm gonna put the lip gloss on. Y'all, I don't really wear lip gloss either. Like, I don't do this at all, y'all. I do not do this. So with that being said, that is the end of this video.